What's up, guys? Today we are going to cover the fulfilling world and health benefits of foods that contain no carbohydrates and sugars, or with minimal amounts to say the least. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Foods devoid of carbohydrates and sugars offer a plethora of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Such foods primarily consist of lean proteins, non-starchy vegetables, and certain dairy products. Incorporating these items into your meals can facilitate weight management, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support overall health. Lean proteins, such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, and tofu, are excellent sources of essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. These nutrients play vital roles in muscle repair and growth, immune function, and hormone regulation. Consuming protein-rich foods can also promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer periods and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, and bell peppers are low in carbohydrates and sugars, but rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Fiber aids in digestion, promotes gut health, and may lower the risk of certain chronic diseases, including heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the abundance of vitamins and antioxidants in vegetables supports immune function and may protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. Certain dairy products, such as plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, contain minimal carbohydrates and sugars, while providing essential nutrients like calcium, protein, and probiotics. Calcium is crucial for bone health, while probiotics support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. Incorporating foods with no carbohydrates and sugars into your diet, you can enjoy numerous health benefits, including improved weight management, better blood sugar control, enhanced satiety, and overall well-being. However, it's essential to maintain balance and variety in your diet to ensure you receive all the nutrients your body needs for optimal function. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help you develop a personalized nutrition plan tailored to your specific health goals and dietary preferences. Adopting a diet rich in foods devoid of carbohydrates and sugars can be particularly advantageous for individuals with certain health conditions, such as diabetes or metabolic syndrome. By minimizing carbohydrate intake, these individuals can better manage their blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, consuming foods with minimal sugars can help prevent spikes in blood glucose, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels and preventing the onset of diabetic complications. Foods lacking in carbohydrates and sugars are often integral components of ketogenic and low-carb diets. These dietary approaches have gained popularity for their potential to promote weight loss, improve metabolic health, and enhance cognitive function. By limiting carbohydrates and sugars, the body is encouraged to burn fat for fuel, leading to a state of ketosis, where ketone bodies are produced as an alternative energy source. It's important to note that while foods with no carbohydrates and sugars offer various health benefits, they should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods from all food groups. Restricting carbohydrates too severely or relying solely on high-protein and high-fat foods may lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health complications in the long term. Foods devoid of carbohydrates and sugars into your diet can contribute to improved health outcomes, including weight management, blood sugar control, and overall well-being. However, it's essential to prioritize balance, variety, and moderation to ensure you meet your nutritional needs and support optimal health in the long run. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance and support in achieving your dietary goals while maintaining overall health and wellness. Additionally, foods with no carbohydrates and sugars can be a valuable option for those seeking to manage certain health conditions beyond diabetes. For instance, individuals with gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, may benefit from a diet low in fermentable carbohydrates, known as the low FODMAP diet. FODMAPs are short-chain carbohydrates that can ferment in the gut, leading to symptoms like bloating, gas, and abdominal pain in sensitive individuals. Choosing foods devoid of carbohydrates and sugars can help alleviate these symptoms and improve digestive comfort. For individuals with conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, Reducing carbohydrate and sugar intake may help manage symptoms and improve metabolic health markers such as insulin sensitivity and liver function. By opting for foods that are low or devoid of carbohydrates and sugars, individuals can potentially mitigate the underlying factors contributing to these conditions and promote better overall health outcomes. Foods without carbohydrates and sugars can be a cornerstone of a heart-healthy diet. High carbohydrate and sugar intake has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, obesity, and other cardiovascular complications. By choosing foods that are naturally low in carbohydrates and sugars, such as lean proteins, non-starchy vegetables, and healthy fats, individuals can support heart health by reducing the intake of potential risk factors while increasing the consumption of nutrients that promote cardiovascular wellness, such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Foods with no carbohydrates and sugars offer a multitude of benefits for various aspects of health, ranging from blood sugar management to digestive health and cardiovascular wellness. By incorporating these nutrient-rich options into a balanced diet, individuals can optimize their nutrition, manage certain health conditions, and promote long-term well-being. However, it's essential to approach dietary changes with guidance from healthcare professionals to ensure that individual nutritional needs are met and overall health is supported effectively. The inclusion of foods devoid of carbohydrates and sugars in one's diet can also support dental health. Sugars, particularly those found in processed foods and sugary beverages, can contribute to tooth decay and cavities by providing fuel for harmful bacteria in the mouth. By opting for foods without added sugars, individuals can reduce their risk of dental issues and promote oral hygiene. Additionally, certain foods like crunchy vegetables and nuts can help clean the teeth and stimulate saliva production, which aids in neutralizing acids and remineralizing tooth enamel. Beyond the physical health benefits, choosing foods with minimal carbohydrates and sugars can also positively impact mental health and cognitive function. High carbohydrate meals, especially those with refined sugars, can lead to fluctuations in blood sugar levels and energy crashes, which may affect mood and concentration. In contrast, foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber provide sustained energy levels and promote mental clarity and focus. Moreover, research suggests that diets low in carbohydrates and sugars may have neuroprotective effects and could potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. In conclusion, foods devoid of carbohydrates and sugars offer a wide array of health benefits, ranging from metabolic health and weight management to dental hygiene and cognitive function. By incorporating these nutrient-dense options into a balanced diet, individuals can optimize their nutrition and support overall well-being. However, it's crucial to prioritize variety, moderation, and individualized dietary needs to ensure a sustainable approach to healthful eating. Consulting with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians can provide personalized guidance and support in making informed dietary choices that promote long-term health and vitality.